Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So V for victory, V for villain, V for volatility. Today is a day of volatility. From the start of today, market fell more than 200 points. I am talking about Nifty. Nifty alone fell more than 200 points. It came all the way down to 15,520 and recovered some losses and settled at 15,700. And if you see the Bank Nifty, it went down by 700 points from 34,800 or 900. It came all the way down to 34,100 and settled at around 34,500 or 550. So Nifty is down by just 0.364% and Bank Nifty is down by 0.70%. But in between, if you see, it was a very highly volatile trading session. Very hard to trade these kind of volatile markets, and you know V-shape two-way moves is not manageable. One-way move you can manage, two-way move also you can manage if you are a skilled person, but very harsh volatile move days like these are very tough to handle. The main reason was not local cues but global cues. You know, Chinese government is banning all educational technology companies, and lots of issues are going around technology companies in China. And plus IMF also came out with a report that it is slashing India's GDP from 12.5 or 12.9 to 9.5% for FY22. That was also the major concern, and we can see what has happened. Market was in a very violent mood. So what we can do now, we are used to this, right? We have been telling that all these days market is not going to shoot up, and I can tell you, whenever I was bearish, market is bullish, and whenever I was bullish, market is bearish. So it is trading in a tight range. Many people had made money, I am not denying that, but it is something very difficult to trade in this kind of market. I am not saying you are not making money. You will make money because you are a skilled guy. No doubt in that. You will make money, but it is very hard to make money, right? And one point of the time, India VIX shorted up by 15%. So yesterday we were telling VIX is low and we are not able to manage anything. We are not able to do trades because the premiums are low. But what happened today was very interesting. India VIX shooted up by more than 15 or 16, 17%. So that was a trade today. And what has happened is, when the market was reversing, India VIX also came down and it is settled down by 4%. So it is up by 4%. It is around 13 or 13.5%, right? And I am sure FIIs would have sold aggressively, and yesterday also we can see FIIs have sold for more than 1,500 crores and DIIs have bought for just 700 crores. Like this, if the market continues, we cannot. I am telling you again, without the support of FIIs, markets are not going to go anywhere. You need the support of FII to take the market on the upper side. So as you can see, FIIs have been selling for the last 20 or 22 trading session, and this is what has happened. There is no retail power in India. You don't compare Indian markets with US market or any other advanced market. We are not like that. We need the support of FIIs, but DIIs are not supporting them, right? If FIIs are selling and DIIs are buying, they have to buy equally what FIIs have sold, right? But that is not happening here. FIIs are selling more and DIIs are buying for less amount. So markets are very volatile, and tomorrow is last expiry. Let's see how things pan out. I don't think there is much trade left out. So far we have done so many trades, and I was bearish and the market shooted up, and then I was bullish, market came down. So highly zigzag volatile movement. Since the last 1 month or 30 trading session, market is moving from 15,500 to 16,000, right? And we have been telling this for a long time, but how many days it is going to move like this? talk logically. It has to move in one way or another, right? Let's see how things pan out, and I think tomorrow should be a smooth expiry. And as of now, US futures are really flat, and SGX Nifty is down by 10%. We'll have to wait and see. And I put a word of caution here. Just do a hedged funds. Don't try to do strangles or straddles or anything. Maybe you can do, because see, had you done a straddle today, you would have made good money, but emotion would have killed you. I'm not talking about this expiry, maybe next expiry. When the market was, when the VIX was very high at the morning at around 15 or 16%, had you done a straddle in next month expiry also, you would have made a good money, right? So every trade what we did in last week also, we failed, like we were booked losses. And I didn't really do any trade do much in this week also. I had very light position and hedged positions only. So we did a iron fly last week, and we sold a naked call option. Naked call option made some money, but the iron fly iron fly didn't make money. It was into loss, so I didn't try to adjust that position. So I squared off and came out of the market. Many of you were asking for strategies. Let me tell you how we can tell strategies in this kind of market. Market is very violent, right? No matter what the strategy, it is very hard to manage, because you know, when strategies are expensive, because we do straddles and strangles and ratio spread, and to manage that strategies or to adjust that strategies, it is even more hard to manage those type of strategies. So I wouldn't recommend any strategies, but I will come out with a video about strategies and about adjustments. And as you may know, we have done many adjustment videos. If you want, you can go and check our channel. We have done a playlist about adjustments, so that alone is more than enough. So try to watch the videos about adjustments, so that you get an idea how these adjustments will work. But this kind of market, I'm not denying anything. Market is range bound only, market is consolidating only, but it is moving very violently. 100, 200 or 300 points in one day move is very violent, right? So what kind of adjustment are you going to imply, or how do you make adjustment is something, it is a totally a different story. So market is really irrational, and this type of market is very hard to trade. That's what I am trying to say. If you had money, very good, you are a very smart guy. I am not denying that. Just be careful, and let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is expiry, one more day to go for July expiry. Let's see how August pans out. So that's it for today. Take care. Bye.